now I guess we're going to go on to talking about embellishing our lovely creations.
We are, and I'm going to talk about some of the thicker threads that are available that I don't think you'd be able to use on the sewing machine, Paula, or at least not on the top of the sewing machine.
Well, if you have a big enough needle, you can use something thicker than usual. I'm going to be using a 40-weight thread on my machine to embellish.
And I'm going to be using perlé threads down to a size 3. This stitch here, a lot of people probably recognise, which is the buttonhole stitch. We've got some crosses along here. This stitch here is a herringbone stitch, and this one here is a fly stitch. And I'm just going to pick up this fly stitch and show you what to do.
Of course, as you said before, I could couch in other things and use invisible thread, but on this one I've just chosen my preset machine stitches to embellish it.
I'm guessing you could always put beads and things as well.
Of course, you know, it stops when you want to stop.
Yeah.